Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to Production Technology Lab. Today we would like to discuss about the mechanical press. How it's going to be work, let's we see. First of all, coming to the aim, I'd like to describe what is the aim of this particular experiment. So coming to the aim of this particular experiment, so making a washer with the help of GI sheet using progressive die. So this is the progressive die. So coming to the aim of this particular experiment, so we are going to make washers with the help of GI sheet. Now would like to do this experiment. How we are going to do the experiment? So coming to the experiment, the equipment, tools and materials are required. Like first of all, we have to require the press working machine. So this is the working machine. So 10 ton working machine, 15 ton working machine. This is the 15 ton working machine. So we need progressive dies. So this is the progressive die also required, as well as spanners required, T-bolts are required, clamps required, and GI sheets required for doing this particular experiment. So these are all the tools as well as the materials required. So friends, now we'd like to discuss, so what are the parts of this particular mechanical press. So coming to the first, so this is the flywheel. So this is the flywheel. So this is the flywheel. So this part is the flywheel. So this one is the flywheel cover. This is the flywheel. So this flywheel connected with a small shaft. So this is the crankshaft. This crankshaft too, there is a small gear is there. This is called as small gear. This is the driven part. So this is the pinion. So this crankshaft is directly connected to the pinion. After the small bull gear is there. So that is the bull gear, right? So this is the bull gear. So this is the bull gear or main drive gear. So this is the gear cover. So this gear is directly connected to this is the eccentric shaft. This gear directly connected to this eccentric shaft to the pitman. So this is the entire pitman. This is the pitman. Again, this is the die. This is the die. This is the gauge. This is the gib with guideways. This is the gib with guideways. After that, we have one more device is there. This is called as progressive die. This is the progressive die. This progressive die directly connected to the ram. So this is the ram. This progressive die. This is the top die. This is the bottom die. So this top die directly connected to the ram. So this part is called as punching die. This is the blanking die. So this is punching die. This is the blanking die. So this die this is the die position. This is the die position. This one is the die position. Or this entire plate is called as bolster plate, or simply die position plate, or sometimes this is called as the table. So these are all the parts. And after that, this is the foot pedal. This is the foot pedal. So this is on and off lever. This entire part is called as column. So this is the motor. Finally, that is the motor. So now I'd like to explain what are the specifications of this particular experiment. So this is the capacity. This is the capacity up to 15 tons. Crankshaft diameter 70 mm. Stroke adjustment 30 to 35 mm. Hole in ram 32 mm. Hole in bed 90 mm. So these are all different specifications of this particular mechanical press. So now coming to the procedure of this particular experiment. So first of all, you have to place the top die is directly connected to the ram. So you have to connect this top die to the ram. After that, you have to place this bottom die directly connected to this bolster plate. So you have to adjust this entire die you have to fix this entire die with the help of clamps and bolts. So this is a small, there is a arrangement is there for clamping all these equipment, this particular progressive die. So this is the equipment. You have to first of all do the thing. First thing is this is the first thing. So now I'd like to take one GI sheet. So this is the GI sheet. So now you have to take this GI sheet. You have to fix the GI sheet in this progressive die. So you have to place the GI sheet in this progressive die. So there is a stopper is there, right? So you have to push this GI sheet up to the stopper. So there is a small stopper is there. Friends, now you can switch on the machine. So now the process is running, right? So how the power transmission is done, going on? When motor is running, that is directly connected to the driving pulley. So this is the driving pulley. After that, the crankshaft to pinion to driver gear to eccentric shaft. So this is the eccentric. This is the process from flywheel to pitman. So flywheel to eccentric shaft. So what happened here? The rotary motion of the motor is directly converted into linear motion of the ram. So there is a linear motion. We will see linear motion of the ram. So there is a linear motion. There is a linear motion. There is a small stopper. There is a small stopper is there. So if you can observe there, small stopper is there. Rajgar ఒకసారి చూపించండి. అది స్టాప్ నొక్కండి. Next. Right. According to that stopper, the ram will work. Now we would like to do the blanking operation. So first of all, you have to place the workpiece GA sheet in a progressive way. Then you can press foot pedal. Next. So there is a small stopper is there in between there. So according to the movement of the stopper, you can place. You can move this. Now you can see there is a movement. There is a stopper is there, right? You can place according to that stopper. You can move this particular strip. Now you can press the pedal. Right. So in this way, you can apply pressure on the given GA. Now you have to move this strip up to this half of the hole only. Up to the half of the hole, you have to move this strip. Again, next half of the hole. Again, next half of the hole. So in this way, this is the final product which will be created on the workpiece. So in this way, we will do the blanking and piercing operations. Now you can stop the machine. Happen. So now we will see the workpieces. Where the workpieces are there. So these are all the workpieces. Raj garu meer attu insert cheyandi, it bite ku vastayi attu toyandi. So these are all the workpieces. So these are all blanking. So this is the blank part. Overall part is the blank part. In center the hole is produced, right? So this whole process called as piercing operation. This entire block is blank piece operation is called as blanking operation. So creating a small hole on a given sheet, given GA sheet, that operation called as blanking operation, right? Sorry, piercing operation. So creating a blank piece on a given sheet, that is called as blanking operation. Thank you guys. I hope you all enjoy this. You understood this particular experiment. Thank you for your support. Thank you.